Utah. I think I'll be in Las Vegas with my Kegs of Beer. It's not my Kegs of Beer. But I'll be in Las Vegas around 5:30 p.m. Wednesday. I don't know if I get to buy beer on a Wednesday night or a Thursday night. I don't know how soon I'll get to the bar, you know. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. Yeah, the Happy Trucker is planning on buying beer at, oh, that's Green River, at the Harrah's Piano Bar, either Wednesday night or Thursday night, from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. But you only get it if you show up, you know. If you don't show up, then you don't get it.